Breaking new developments in the Brooklyn Park home break-ins and sexual assaults. Court documents just into the newsroom charge the suspect with 8 counts of criminal sexual conduct and 2 counts of burglary.
Police arrested 25-year-old Darius Ahmad Olson Baker last evening after he allegedly attacked a woman at gunpoint yesterday morning and another woman last Friday.
Brett Hofflin has been digging into Olson Baker's recent release from prison, his criminal history, and how police are connecting with concerned residents tonight. He joins us live in Brooklyn Park. Brett.
Yeah, Lindsay and Kevin, we're outside of Prince of Peace Lutheran Church, and this is where the police are hosting a community meeting to essentially debrief about what happened and transpired over the last week. Just within the last few minutes, we've seen a lot of people show up in this parking lot. We've seen some police unloading some things just to simply have a conversation with these neighborhoods that have been affected. But tonight, there are still a lot of questions about this suspect.
To say that it's alarming, that's exactly accurate. It is alarming.
Tonight, 25-year-old Darius Ahmad Olson Baker is in custody again. This time arrested for allegedly breaking into 2 Brooklyn Park homes over the last week and sexually assaulting 2 women. Earlier this month, he was released from prison after being sentenced in 2023 to 60 months on a firearm charge. We checked with the Hennepin County Attorney's Office, and they confirmed the timeline adds up. He served the first 2/3 of his sentence incarcerated and the final third to be on supervised release.
Minnesota is a long-standing practice of this. The 2/3 in prison, 1/3 on release is not abnormal.
Brooklyn Park police say a lead from one of their own led them to Olson Baker.
He was aware of an individual that Brooklyn Park Police Department has had contacts with in the past who exhibited similar behavior many years ago of breaking into the homes of victims.
I asked police if he was ever arrested for these specific crimes, but they told us to submit a data request because there are several incident reports. As far as his supervised release,
basically, it's a situation where you're released into the community, but it's under certain restrictions.
Rachel Moran, who is a professor at the University of St. Thomas School of Law, tells me those restrictions vary, but for a firearms case, they can generally go where they want.
There's probably check-in points, so maybe they need to be in contact with their supervised release officer.
And again, just within the last hour, we learned more from those charges, including that Olson Baker, quote, had a significant juvenile history of committing burglaries in Brooklyn Park. Also, within the last few minutes, I heard about the terms of his supervised release. It included anger management and domestic abuse training, no drugs or alcohol, and checking in with a probation officer. Didn't mention anything about where he needed to stay in particular. We are going to put all those terms onto our website once we get that on our online at KSTP.com. Again, this meeting just started here at the church, and it will be going on for about an hour or so. Reporting live in Brooklyn Park, Brett Hofflin, 5 Eyewitness News.